How have you grown as UI UX designer at AleaIT?
Okay. I have been working with AleaIT, and I have done a lot of projects, and it gives me opportunity to learn and grow in my career. I have done many projects regarding e-commerce site and learning platforms. So that was very wonderful and a nice journey.
Which was the most challenging project that you worked on?
चैलेंजिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी तक उतना ज़्यादा तो कुछ चैलेंजिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हुए नहीं है कि मतलब जिसमें ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आए, बट सम हाउ कभी कभी कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जिसमें थोड़ा सा चैलेंज आता है. फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स थे जिसमें जो भी मेरे स्टेक होल्डर्स थे या जो क्लाइंट था, तो वो प्रोजेक्ट मेरा एक फ्लोर इंस्पेक्शन से रिलेटेड था. तो उसमें थोड़ी बहुत चैलेंजेस आए थे क्योंकि उनकी जो टारगेट ऑडियंस थी वो बड़ी एज वाले थे. तो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत एक्सेसिबिलिटी एंड एक दो चीज़ों में थोड़ा चैलेंज आया, बट आई हैव डन with the help of my seniors and other colleagues who can took me out from this situation, and I have done with the challenge.
What tips would you give to new UI UX designers?
uh, I want to give some basic tips. First of all, ki you have to be humble and very calm at the workplace, and you have to be a collaborative person to talk with your teammates, and always open to learning new things, and you have to update yourself day by day with the new design trends. Like every years we have new design trends like color, typography and all. So these are the basic tips, and I want to give some advanced tips like uh, if you want to improve your skills, then you have to uh, practice a lot on. And how you can practice, like you have to replicate the designs of the real market. Like if you want to work with any company who is working on projects like a restaurant and food applications, so you can replicate the design of Zomato, Swiggy. There are a lot of projects on like design platforms like Behance. So there are many people who can upload their portfolios and their projects. You can take some examples and replicate the designs. So it will help you to grow in your career. And these are the basic tips. Thank you.